Can a simple story transform a brand and captivate its audience for a lifetime? Colgate, a global leader in oral care, has effectively used storytelling to strengthen its brand and connect with consumers. Colgate storytelling is built on real-life stories, making it relatable to everyday consumers. They craft narratives that go beyond product features, aiming to create emotional connections with their audience. One of Colgate's strengths is its ability to evoke genuine emotions in its stories. These narratives resonate deeply with viewers, leaving a lasting impact. Colgate often features characters in its stories who undergo transformation, reflecting the aspirations of its audience. This relatability makes their stories engaging and inspiring. Moreover, Colgate's narratives are not just passive stories. They include a compelling call to action motivating viewers to take meaningful steps. Here's what we can learn from Colgate. Number 1. Engage your audience with real and relatable stories in your brand's messaging. This creates a stronger connection with your consumers by making your brand more relatable and personal. Number 2. Craft your narratives to genuinely touch the hearts of your audience. When your storytelling creates real emotions, it leads to a deeper connection with your brand. And finally, develop characters in your stories that reflect your audience experiences and aspirations. This makes your narratives more relatable and inspiring. Colgate storytelling mastery serves as a powerful example of how strategic narrative can enhance a brand's connection with its audience. By applying these strategies, your brand can also create deeper connections and achieve tangible results. Now share this video with your friends and don't forget to save this video. Also follow Brand Iconic for more tips and insights.